Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts, where we stock new original equipment fuel injectors for most cars.
In this video, I will be describing what GDI, or direct fuel injection, is and how it differs from the older technology.
Gasoline direct injection, or GDI, is a modern fuel injection system that directly injects fuel into the combustion chamber of the vehicle. Direct fuel injection into the combustion chamber was absent in the older multi-point designs. In a traditional multi-point injection system, the fuel doesn't enter the combustion chamber directly. Instead, it first passes through the engine's intake manifold. Here, the fuel is atomized with air before moving into the cylinder. Now, let's talk about some of the advantages of a GDI system. And they are fuel efficiency, increase in power output, better cold start performance, and flexibility in engine design. GDI promotes better gas mileage and lower emissions. When driving a car, our motive is to improve and enhance fuel economy, and we want to cover more mileage with less fuel. Fortunately, in the GDI system, the fuel is directly injected into the combustion chamber, which makes it possible to get better fuel efficiency. GDI systems can supply a larger fuel dosage to the engine, which leads to a more potent engine. A better cold start performance. The starting of car, especially during the cold weather, is a problem that is faced by many drivers. But by using the gasoline direct injection system, the cold start performance of the vehicle can be greatly enhanced during the cold weather. And one of the last benefits we'll talk about is the flexibility in design. Another great benefit of the GDI systems is their flexibility. By using the advanced GDI systems, the engine designs are now more smaller and compact. And I've noticed we're getting a lot more horsepower. This size reduction is highly suitable for the vehicles which have limited space for the engine. There is a downside of GDI. It's a complex system. There's a carbon buildup, and there's been reports of injectors clogging faster. GDI systems are more complex than the regular fuel injection. Due to higher levels of hierarchy, more components are needed in a GDI system. For instance, the high pressure fuel pumps and injectors make the overall system complex and difficult to maintain. Additionally, carbon buildup is more likely to occur in GDI systems, which can block the injectors and harm the engine. The high temperature and pressure of the combustion chamber, which results in incomplete combustion and the creation of carbon deposits, are to blame for this buildup. Don't get me wrong, the pros of the GDI systems, I think, outweigh the cons, but time will see. So how do we solve some of the GDI problems? You can help your GDI system in a number of ways. Regular maintenance. Adhering to the manufacturer's suggested maintenance schedule is one of the best methods to keep your GDI system in good operating order. This entails routine oil changes, air filter replacements, and throttle body cleanings, just to name a few. Use high quality fuel. GDI systems are delicate to the quality of fuel, so it is critical to use gasoline that complies with the manufacturer's requirements. GDI engines need to be run on a special high quality oil that is created to maintain the engine clean and stop carbon buildup. So use the recommended engine oil that the manufacturer has provided. GDI systems are equipped with sophisticated sensors that can identify issues and show warning lights on the dashboard. It's crucial to have your car evaluated if a warning light does come on. There are some fuel additives that are intended to aid in preventing the carbon buildup and maintaining the efficiency of your GDI system. It's important not to overuse the additives and follow the manufacturer's instructions. You could harden the engine if you use too much of it. It's not a bad idea to have your engine cleaned frequently because carbon buildup might interfere with the GDI system. Qualified mechanic or a product designed for this, especially for this use, will accomplish this. To solve some of the problems, automobile manufacturers provide software updates, and some of the problems may be brought on by software difficulties. Software updates should be installed as soon as they become available, so keep an eye out for them. I know when I take my truck in to get service, they'll usually let me know if there's an update to be done. So to summarize, follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance plan, use the quality gasoline and premium engine oil, pay attention to your warning lights, apply fuel additives, and get a professional examination when necessary to prevent issues with your GDI system. Thanks for watching. For top quality fuel injection parts, please visit our website at mikescarb.com. Thank you.